Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will share how to build augmented reality using Blippar. First, go to Google and search for Blippar and then click on blippar.com and then go to login and put your email and password. If you don't have any account, then you have to sign up and create one. And click login. And now we have blue and red one, but today we're gonna choose red one, which is create app AR. Start from scratch and upload any image that you want as a trigger image. And now you have to give it a name. Click on continue. And now, upload your video and put your video here. And we can resize our video, any size that you want. As long as it is still in this graph. Then scroll down a bit and click on preload with scenes. And then click on preview. Now, create your own code like number or alphabet, click continue, and we are done.
Next, we move to the next part, which is to create questions on quizzes. Firstly, you can just type it out quizzes on Google, and then here it is, the main page of quizzes. For those who already have accounts, you can directly sign in, while if not, you can just sign up using your email. For those who already have account, it will show the history of our quizzes. However, now I will show you how to create your own set on quizzes. At first, you need to click on the create a quiz and then just write the names of the quiz and also choose the subjects or classifications of the quizzes. There are a lot of types that you can choose to create your own quizzes, but as for our group, we choose multiple choice question because it will be much more easier for the students. And then, you can write your questions on the box given. After you write your questions, you need to tick one of the correct answer. The other specialties of quizzes is you can choose or change the times for each questions. As for example, for my group, we choose 45 seconds for the student to answer. And then it's done. You can share the link to your classmates. Next, we move back to the Blippar application. Actually, it is just the same like how we did the video on the Blippar. We choose to start from scratch and then add the QR code. Oh, about the QR code, you can do it by using the link on the quizzes using any QR code generator. Don't forget to name your Blippar section. You add the QR code image and then also add the link of the quizzes. You can adjust the height and the width of the code and then don't forget to copy the link. Once you already copy the link, don't forget to paste it on the URL section. You can just publish, but however, to make it much more easier to use, we choose to build a properties. And then, you can use the QR code.
The next step is to download the Blippar application in the smartphone so that your students can scan the QR code that you made earlier. If you are an Android user, firstly, go to your Google Play Store. Then, look for Blippar application through the search button. Once it appears, you will need to click it and install it right away. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet connection. When it's finished downloading, click the open button and it will bring you right away to the Blippar application. Now click the arrow in the middle of the screen. After that, you need to allow this application to take pictures, videos and access your location so that you can use this application completely. Yep, you have to wait for a few seconds and this is it. The scan button is at the middle and the top left is the setting icon, which you can click if you want to set the settings. Just like this. Now, what if you are an iOS user? Well, do not worry because it is similar to the previous one. So, firstly, you have to go to your App Store and search for Blippar application. Then, you click the download button and wait for a few seconds or minutes. Once it is downloaded, click the open button and you will go directly to the Blippar application. Click the arrow in the orange button and don't forget to allow the permission of it to access your camera and location. But you can also choose proceed without accessing location if you want to. With a scan button and a setting icon, so there you go! This is how Blippar looks like in iOS.
Now we are going to give you a tutorial on how to use the Blippar application from your phone. Firstly, open the Blippar application from your phone and enter the generated code given. You need to enter the generated code as you are not using the premium version for this application. Once you have entered the code, move your phone to the trigger image and tap Scan. Please wait for a few seconds until it finishes scanning. Now you can see the video has appeared from the trigger image. You can tap the video and play as you wish.
Hi, learn.
Happy
Today we
trying,
are going
everyone.
to learn about simple past tense.
Now moving on how to use the Blippar for the quizzes. Enter the code given and now move your phone to scan the trigger image. Wait for a few seconds and now you can tap on the QR code. The QR code will lead you to the quizzes site. Good luck!